Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you the newly updated features of Canva and how do you easily sign up for Canva. So simply, in order to do this, just you have to create an email. So in my case I have already Google account, so simply you can also sign up through Google account or your personal email. So just simply I'm going to sign up through Google. Just you can see I have sign up through Google, and after that click on your account. So in this way you can easily simply sign up for Canva. So here our account is finally created. So now here wait for few seconds. So now here if you want to join your colleague team, or you can also click on maybe later, it's depend upon your choice. So here what will you using Canva for? So simply here select the option like I am selecting the personal. After that just here click on the next step. So here what kind of design would you like to do? So simply here all the designs available that you want to create on Canva. So simply after that just click on let's go. So here you can find all the features of Canva, like you can create a whiteboard, you can also create a logo, Facebook post, presentation, Facebook cover, video, Instagram posts, and much more that you want to create. So simply you can use all these features in Canva.